All right, everyone, here are the numbers for on Soleil in Panama City Beach for the first quarter of 2024. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group over at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Different kind of overview for you this quarter. There's some pretty dramatic shift happening in the Gulfront condo market, it seems. So I really wanted to dive into the numbers to explain that. I actually go through the condo market and the detached single family market in another video and really get into explaining this. So watch the first maybe half of that video, 8 or 10 minutes if you want to see it. The short version is we always keep an eye on this months of inventory number to tell us how hot or cold a market is. You've heard me probably say plenty of times before that the longer we are in buyer market territory, the more pressure we have on prices to come down. The longer we stay in seller market territory, the more likely it is that we see price appreciation. Well, I ran across a chart this last week that really helps give a visual, and I'm working on a prettier version of this, but here's our 5 or 6 months of inventory number where you see normal sort of steady real estate appreciation. This is normal market if there is such a thing in real estate. You get into a hotter seller's market, lower months of inventory, more price appreciation. And just the opposite when we get into buyer market territory, higher months of inventory, price depreciation. I give a more in-depth explanation of this, but that's the short version. And so right now in the condo market, we've gone from 3.27 months of inventory up to 12.63 and 14.33 months of inventory. That's off this chart, so to speak. So more again in that other video, more analysis of this. But for on Soleil for Q1, really not bad activity considering there are not a lot of units. There's only one 2-bedroom unit for sale priced at $1.1 million. No sales or pending contracts at the moment. So if you're thinking of selling a 2-bedroom in on Soleil, pretty nice opportunity right now. You don't have a lot of competition. Very, very encouraging to see some sales at 1.35 and 1.45, both closed in first quarter of this year. 2 currently on the market asking 1.55, both of those. Something else encouraging in here that I've run across in a lot of other projects, on Soleil being one of the nicer, if not nicest, projects on the beach, certainly in the top 3 or 4. I think there are 3 or 4 that offer different things, but I don't see anything that has expired or come off the market canceled. What we're seeing a lot of, or starting to see a lot of in some other projects, is units for sale that didn't sell and so come off the market. You're starting to see those numbers increase quite a bit, so which is another sign of what's going on with the market, which could affect pricing. So again, watch that other video for a more comprehensive take on the overall market. But again, the short version, and not terribly surprising to see that a building like on Soleil, at least holding values pretty well for now. You're starting to see some pretty dramatic things happen in some other buildings. So it'll be interesting to see how long this lasts. If you have any questions on this type of stuff, give me a call, shoot me a text at 850-290-0417. Again, if you're a condo owner, I really encourage you to watch the first 8-10 minutes of that other video. It really it's important information to understand and how it potentially affects your assets. So if you prefer email, that works too. Craig@DuranGroupFL.com. Thanks for watching.